Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my top ChatGPT plugin that can help you in your day-to-day life. From summarizing big PDFs to finding jobs directly through ChatGPT, these plugins are sure to make your life easier. The first plugin which we are going to use is Askyourpdf. You can go ahead and check in this plugin. And this plugin will help you summarize big PDFs. You can question answer those PDF directly in ChatGPT. So you'll find that this is a book about forgiveness, 4 steps to forgiveness, which is hosted online. And I'm going to summarize this PDF directly in ChatGPT by providing the link. So this is the prompt I'm giving. Summarize this book less than 100 words. And this is the link of this PDF book. Let's go ahead and hit enter. And you'll see that it will start using this plugin and it will summarize this book for us. So you can see here, it has used this Ask Your PDF and it has summarized this PDF for us. So let's go ahead and ask what are the 4 steps? What are the 4 steps? And let's see if it is able to answer that from the book or not. So it is using this PDF. So it has gone to PDF once again and it has started writing down those 4 steps. So these are correct. I'll show you those details in the book. So let's go to book and cross check all those 4 points. So you can find this all the 4 steps which ChatGPT provided was from this page, page number 6, and these are the details. There is another plugin, Chat with PDF, which does the same thing, which you can see here, which I have done. I've given the book. It has summarized the book for me. I asked what are the 4 steps and it has given me the 4 steps. So you can try any one of them. The next plugin which we are going to use is Speech Key. It helps you convert any text into audio file. So just select this plugin, go ahead, provide your prompt, convert this audio file. And this is the summary I have taken from earlier prompt, which was about 4 steps to forgiveness. So let's go ahead and click enter. And you'll find that this will convert this text to audio file and it will provide you the link from where you can download it. So you can see here the text provided has been converted to audio file. Let's click on this link, go to speech key and let's play this audio and
For
listen.
Steps to Forgiveness by William Fergus Martin is a practical guide that offers steps to achieve forgiveness, leading to both practical and spiritual benefits. The steps include acknowledging who needs forgiveness, identifying unhappy feelings, recognizing the benefits of forgiveness, and creating a forgiveness affirmation.
So you can see here, this is how you can use this speech key plugin and convert any text to audio file. Next plugin which we are going to use is Show Me. This help you create diagrams and edit diagrams directly in chat. So this is an amazing plugin. Consider that if you want to study anything, it is easy to study anything if you have a diagrams, right? So this, let's consider it if you want to understand, how this car engine works. So you can just go ahead and ask, show me a diagram of how a car engine works, and it will create a complete diagram and it will provide you the explanation of each steps as well. You can see here it has created a diagram for us: fuel, air, combustion intake, cylinder and piston, motion, crankshaft, rotation, transmission, power wheels, and it has given the step by steps explanation as well. So this is how you can use it. This plugin, this is an amazing plugin. I really like this one. If you want, you can go ahead and edit this diagram online, which is a free app here. So you can go ahead and update over details over here. If you have to write anything, you can write it over here, right? Next plugin which we are going to use is Prompt Perfect. This is an amazing plugin. This is one of my favorite plugin and I'm using it for all of my work because it helps you write a perfect prompt for ChatGPT. So let me show you. So consider that if I ask, can you explain the concept of recursion in programming and write a simple recursion code in Python? So this is not that well prompt. But if I just append a word perfect, what it will do, it will take this prompt, it will rephrase this prompt in such a way that can help ChatGPT understand the question well and provide us the best possible answer. Let's see how this plugin works. So if you see here, this is what I provided, and then Prompt Perfect has rephrased my prompt to this. Please provide a thorough explanation of the programming concept of recursion, including its definition and how it's used in programming. Additionally, please write a basic code example of recursion using Python programming language. Your response should be detailed and precise. So you can see here, this prompt was not that great, right? But this is what we should be able to write it. And it works really well. And ChatGPT provides a really good answers when I start using this plugin. So you can see here, it has provided a recursion involves two main part: base case, recursive case, and it has given a Python code and it has explained everything in detail. So this is how you can use this plugin. Next plugin which we are going to use is known as Ambition. It helps you find jobs near you and you can apply directly through ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and search Somi and AM architect jobs in Bangalore. So let's go ahead and hit. So this is the domain which I work. So let's see if it is able to find any jobs in Bangalore or not. So it went ahead and found 5 jobs for me. So we can see here first is Jolite, second one is Merck, Microchip, and so on. Let's go ahead and click on the first link and see where we go. So it has taken us to Ambition website where we can go ahead and apply for the jobs. Here you can sync your resume using ChatGPT. It will be able to read the web, and if they find any jobs, it will be able to send you details as well. And you can import your LinkedIn data as well over here. So that's great. The next plugin which we are going to use is known as Scholar AI. This is an amazing plugin if you are working in scientific field. It can help you find scientific papers very easily. So let's go ahead and click on this one and provide our prompt. So my prompt is, what are the recent breakthroughs in the field of quantum computing? Let's go ahead and search. Let's see if it is able to find any paper or not. So it is using Scholar AI plugin. So you can see here, Scholar AI plugin has gone to internet, found total 5 recent papers, and it has provided abstract of those papers as well as the hyperlink. So let's click on this link and see what we get out of those. So you can see here, these are related to quantum papers, and we can go ahead and read the complete paper over here as well. Okay. So this is amazing. If you can go ahead and ask any question, it will be able to pull all the scientific research information and give you over in the chat gpt console itself. The next plugin which we're going to use is known as web pilot. This is also an amazing plugin which helps you read internet data directly from the link, and you can write an article based on that. So let's see that. I search benefits of exercise, and this is one of the top ranked page on Google. So consider that I want to write an amazing article based on that. So I will say rewrite new article based on this, make it SEO friendly, and just provide the link and click enter. So we have the results here. You can see it has used this web pilot plugin and it has rewritten this entire article based on this. So it has total 10 points over here, and chat gpt has also created 10 points, but it has rewritten in a different way so that your content will not be same. There are some other plugins which are very similar to web pilot. Those are access link and link reader. I'm not giving any demo for that because it will be repeatable. That's all for the day, guys. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button, share with your friends, and wait for my another video where I work on some another amazing plugins that is Notable and Zapier. See you in the next video. Thank you.